Oh, so good. It's like French fries, but different. Ah, look. 我在中山很想你 I'm in Zhongshan missing you. Come on! What's the best way to relax and unwind after a hard day at work? Well, in Zhongshan, we like to come to the Shagang night market. It is a place where young people like to come and relax after a hard day's work. Tonight, I've brought my wife with me.
Hi, guys.
And we're gonna go check out the night market. Come with us. Data shows that the Shagang night market receives about 5,000 visitors per day. It's really popular among the young people. If you come to the night market, you have to try all of the delicious food. There are local delicacies and internet famous street foods from all over China. Hi. Hello. Hey, 你好。我有那个是地瓜。韭菜。葱。那我有一份那个地瓜派可以吗？好。好，谢谢你。好，谢谢，谢谢。Here you can get some squid on a stick or some beef skewers as you stroll through the aisles and the streets. You can even get an iced Americano coffee or some handmade lemon iced tea. Ah, look, 我在中山很想你 I'm in Zhongshan missing you. Hey, 老板。Hey, 你好。可以有2杯？好。
我的汤好喝吗？
So good. So good.
You can even get your manicures done here. You can do some DIY crafts. They've got games for the kids. And you'll have to excuse me for 1 minute because I see a teddy bear that I want to win. Okay, I'm going for Hello Kitty. Okay. Hello Kitty. No! Oh. And when you get tired, you can sit under the stars with your friends, chat, relax. There are many different ways to enjoy the nightlife at the night market with wonderful fresh drinks. Each stall gives out a different smell and atmosphere and aroma. Many vendors take this as a part-time job. They are designers, white-collar workers, full-time mothers and students, etc. From their expressions, we can see that they are enthusiastic about life. Well, it's 9 o'clock at night and you can see there are still many people coming to the night market. There are many night markets like this in Zhongshan. It's a great place for family and friends to come. But it's more than that. It's also a chance to increase employment, to stimulate the economy, and it gives you a chance to really feel the hustle and the bustle of the city.